everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to add a shadow to a text in Pixlr. So first, go to pixlr.com and here in the top right corner, select Pixlr Editor. Then here, click on Create New to create a new picture. Select one of the sizes here, or you can change the width and the height from this here, and you can also add a background color and change the name of your picture, or you can click on open picture to open an existing one. I will just go ahead and click open image. Let's select this one, for example, then click on open. Now go to this icon here and click on it, then click somewhere in the picture. Here you can here do you want to add new text layer? Select add, and now you can change the font. Just click on font and select the font you want. Let's select this one, for example. Here you can change the fill. You can select one of these colors. You can add a gradient fill or a pattern fill. Let's add a gradient fill. This one, for example, to match with the picture. Then click on OK. Here you can change the size of the picture. You can change the line space, letter space, align it, and add styles. And in the styles, you can find the shadow option at the bottom. Just click on it, and here you can change the color of the shadow. Let's select white, for example. You can change the blur, the distance between the shadow and the text, the direction. Let's zoom in to see the changes, the distance, the direction, and the opacity. And that's it. Now you know how to add a shadow to a text in Pixlr. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.